Hey everybody, unboxing my little goodies from Nails&Makeup. Got 2 top coats, the best around. You have to go grab you some. The best top coats ever. The packaging I'm gonna have to cut, but you get the drift. Here's their bottle that I already have, so you can see it in its glory up close. There you go. And then next, got something on the outside of that. Next is the little brush. Solar Magic 3D brush. Let me take it out of the packaging so you can see it. And then I got like 2 little free gifts. Look how cute. These look like transfer nail stickers, but you can use them for other than transfer nail stickers. But these are really cool. Thank you, Max. That was really cool of you. It's so cute. I love it. Oh, the top came off when I was taking it out of the package. Good packaging. See that? Came out of the packaging. Alright. Here's the brush. Beautiful. The packaging is just everything. That's pretty. That got some weight to it. You can knock somebody over the head. No, I wouldn't suggest that. But hey, if you had to, you know what I mean. But here is the 3D brush. This is good for your artwork with acrylic or otherwise. This can be used for artwork with acrylic paint, regardless, either one. So I can't wait to use this. Okay, next is another free gift. So cool. And this is from the Precious Minerals collection, and it's 091. This color is beautiful, and it's a cat eye. But this color, wait until you see this color, you guys. OMG, look at this color. Look how beautiful that color is. It's stunning. Another thank you, Max. This is a beautiful Precious Mineral cat eye. And then these are files. And that's my other information here. And look how well they packaged it. Get this out of the way. Private information. Yeah, I don't want anybody seeing that. This is well packaged. Hold on, give me a second. Oh my god, just got this stuck to my nail. Okay, that was interesting. Must have something sticky on my nail. Oh, I got the sticky stuff on my nail. Let me see. Alright, let me get my scissors. Hold on a sec. Stare at the box for a second. I should have like got these out ahead of time, but my bad, but you know what. Alright, here they are. Your basic necessities. Smoothie brush. The 80/80 file, and I believe 100 and 180. Yeah, it's 100 and 180. There you go. That's my package. And I'll get these take these out and put them up later. But there we are, free gift. So nice. Sailor Magic 3D brush. The free gift. So amazingly sweet, Max. Thank you. And the transfers. They're so awesome. I like these. Street graffiti. I can't even speak right. Street graffiti. I give up because the word's not coming out right. For some reason, you know, I know everybody had that happen to them at least once in their life or once in a while. Graffiti. There we go. Graffiti. Finally, I got the word out. Anyway, very cool. I like this very much so. Very cool. You do some really cool nail designs with this. Even though they're meant to like just go on each of your nails as a regular mani, but I can do something a little bit more with these because I just like doing stuff like that. Anyway, that's it, you guys, and stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a mani on my nails with description box from Maniology because I need to get these suckers off. These nails have been on for way too long. These are the original set where you saw my set that I had the cat eye gel nails on. This is the same nails, so I just cut them down and painted them black basically. So anyway, they've been on for 2 months and they got to go off. That's too long. People that know that you're not supposed to keep them on that long. But anyway, I've gone on too much. Y'all keep it moving and have a wonderful rest of your day. Peace.